Hello everyone, my name is Edward Terry and this is our installation guide tutorial video for the KeyScience application on Android. First off, I would like to mention my team member Jose Toledo, as well as the product owner Nathan Moyer, and lastly the instructor and mentor Masood Sajjadi. For the remainder of this video, I will be guiding you through the steps for installing the KeyScience application on your device. To begin, you should have already installed Android Studio, as well as clone the repository from Bitbucket onto the device you'll be using for development. Once you have installed Android Studio, open up the project directory. Installation would normally be done by downloading the application through the Google Play Store. However, if it has not yet been published, the installation will not exist on the Google Play Store under the name KeyScience Citizen Scientist Project, or just KeyScience. Then you will need to add the APK, which is the Android application package file, to your device. The APK can be obtained by building the project with the Android device of your choosing as the target, or just building the APK onto your local device. To install the APK on your Android device, you must have already enabled developer mode on your device. Instructions for each Android version exist at the link in the description below. Once developer mode has been enabled, the APK can be selected and installed on the device. Before running the application, be sure to go into the app information and activate the required permissions so that the app may work properly. The applications should prompt you to do so, but this helps speed up the process of testing the newly installed APK. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns.